How to check who visited my Instagram profile, and is it possible, and is it easy, or is it possible to check them right away or to know these people right away? The answer is it depends. So now I'm going to show you some of the methods and how to know who checked your Instagram profile. But first, you have to switch to professional account. To do that, you have to go to settings and privacy. Okay, and then once you're under settings and privacy, you have to scroll down until you see business tools and controls. Tap this one here. Now, let's just say you're using your personal account and you want to switch to professional account. It's the same thing, okay? So first, let's switch to personal account. And then after that, let's switch to professional account, okay? So it's the same thing. You just have to switch account type or go to settings and privacy first, go to account type and tools, and then switch to professional account. Okay, and then all you have to do is to click continue, continue, continue. Okay, continue, and then select what best describes you. Everything is up to you. And then click creator, and then click next. And it will take you back directly to your profile. Okay, click OK, not now, click X, and here's your profile again. Now, what you're going to do now is you have to try to add a story to your Instagram. Okay, so to do that, tap this plus icon, add a file, red picture from your gallery, select story, share your story by clicking done. Okay, so here's the thing. If someone visits your profile, probably or possibly they will view your Instagram story too. Okay, so if the person or if you click your Instagram story and you see someone viewed your story here, can be your friend, then obviously this person also viewed your profile. If you see one view or two views here and this person or these people are not your friend, obviously someone is talking or viewing your profile. Someone is not your friend, okay? Especially if you set your Instagram story into public. That's it. So this is one of the few ways to know if someone visits your Instagram profile. Another thing is that actually you can download some application to help you to know the people who visit your profile, but it's not really advisable. But if you try, then you can. So to do that, you can exit your Instagram application, go to Google Play Store, and then look for some applications like Instagram, Profile Viewer, something like that. Okay, so let's go to Google Play Store first. And then here you can look for applications or third-party applications. And then you just have to install. But like what I've said, it's not really advisable and recommended because it's very risky. Okay. The worst case is that it can hack your account or anything on your device. Okay. So be careful and as much as possible, don't do this. Okay. Now, the last method or the last thing that you can do to know if someone visits your Instagram profile is to create a highlight. Okay. So if someone viewed your highlight, probably they also visit your profile. So to create highlight, you just have to tap this plus icon here and then import some pictures or anything that you want to add to your highlight. And that's it. If someone viewed your highlight, then probably they viewed also your Instagram profile. Okay, so that's how to check who visited my Instagram profile. And if you want to know if there is a way to know directly or to know right away if someone visit your profile without doing these things, that's very impossible. It's not yet installed or the Instagram doesn't have that feature yet. So maybe soon, but for now, there's no feature for that or there's no option for that. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.